Congratulations everyone, we have reached the end of our journey through this fascinating world of consumer behavior. I hope this course has provided you with valuable insight into the complex factors that shape our choices, preferences, and actions as consumers. Throughout this course, we've explored a wide range of topics, from the internal psychological processes that drive our motivations and perceptions to the external culture and social influences that shape our beliefs and behavior. We've delved into the intricate steps of consumer decision-making process, from problem recognition to post-purchase evaluation. We've also examined how businesses leverage consumer behavior insights to develop effective marketing strategies, create strong bonds, and build lasting customer relationships. As we conclude this course, I encourage you to reflect on the knowledge you've gained and consider how you can apply it to your own life, whether you're a customer, a marketer, or simply someone interested in understanding human behavior. The insights from this course can empower you to make more informed decisions, navigate the complex marketplace, and advocate your own interests. Here are a few key takeaways to remember. Consumer behavior is complex and multifaceted. It's influenced by a wide range of internal and external factors, from our personal values and beliefs to the cultural norms and social pressures we encounter. Understanding consumer behavior is crucial for businesses. By understanding the target audience's needs, preferences, and decision-making processes, businesses can create more effective marketing strategies, develop better products and services, and build stronger customer relationships. Consumer behavior is consistently evolving. As technology, culture, and society changes, so do customer preferences and behaviors. Staying abreast of these changes is essential for businesses to remain relevant and competitive. Consumer behavior is a powerful tool for personal empowerment. By understanding the factors that influence our choices, we can become more mindful consumers, making decisions that align with our goals and values. I encourage you to continue learning about consumer behavior beyond this course. There's a wealth of resources available, including books, articles, blogs, and podcasts that can deepen your understanding and provide you with new perspective. Remember, the study of consumer behavior is an ongoing journey. As you continue to learn and grow, I hope you'll find this knowledge to be a valuable asset in both your personal and professional lives. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of consumer behavior. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors.